This is a 2009 Lexus RX350. The car is having a problem with the liftgate, namely if I use the remote button to open the liftgate, then it does open and it does go all the way to the top, but then as soon as it hits the top it comes right back down. So this is a problem. We know from experience that when this problem happens it's because these lift supports right here, and there's one on each side, have gone back, so they need to be replaced. You can find very affordable versions of these lift supports online, and I'm gonna link to them in the video description. The only tool you need if you want to do this job is a little screwdriver like this one, and at the end of each lift support there's a little strap like this, a clip, and you just get behind it with a screwdriver and you pull it off just like this. You do the same thing up on the other end. Now when you do this, you can just separate this lower socket from its ball joint. Just give it a little nudge and it'll come right off. You will have to support the liftgate because it will want to come down when you remove the support. At this point, all you have to do is take the new support and put it on the ball joint in place of the old support, and you do this at the top and the bottom. So here is my new support securely in place on the left side. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. These are the old supports that I've removed, and these are showing some wear and tear. Like for example, this one, the plastic cover here that protects the seal of the shaft has come off, and this one is showing quite a bit of corrosion all the way around. So both new supports are installed, and let's see how we do now. The liftgate is going up. Is it going to stay up? Look at that. It pops all the way up there. Beautiful. And it stays up there so I can walk in here safely without being decapitated. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, put them below. And the links to get these lift supports are in the video description.